All right, I think we're ready to start cutting now. Here's a little advice for you. Count your fingers before and after every cut, and then you'll know if you should be sifting through the sawdust. And we'll just do this little cut here. It's not easy, basically. She's, all right, well, she didn't actually cut all the way through there, so I guess we'd have to maybe set the blade a little bit higher, or you can set the table a little bit lower. Your choice, really. Oh, no, I know. That ought to do her. Now, here's something else that you can do with a table saw. When you want to cut along the length of a board, that's called ripping. You can just rip right through the board there. It's a lot easier than doing it by hand. It's called ripping. See how I just kind of went ripping out of there?